Pahalgam terror attack, it was expected that there will be a fallout, there will be an aftermath, and now there are incidents, shocking incidents that are coming to fore from various parts of the country where Kashmiri students, businessmen, especially people who go to various parts of the country to sell Kashmiri handicrafts, including shawl vendors, have been targeted. Latest shocking incident coming in from Mussoorie, in Uttarakhand, where two shawl vendors have been targeted by goons. They were manhandled, slapped and abused and then told to shut shop, wind up. These vigilantes even checking their iCard. Now, sources say that while the police did intervene, but so far no FIR has been registered in this case. This is not the only instance. While this was caught on camera, there are allegations of similar conduct from various groups who have targeted Kashmiri students and businessmen. Now, if we talk of students, especially who are studying in various parts of North India, they had to come home, and there were governments who provided them security, some civil society groups as well. Hundreds have come back. They also have alleged that they were assaulted and threatened. Now, we have with us two people who have seen it directly. Now, obviously, we have with us Mr. Umar, who is the member. He is the Kashmir president of the Jammu and Kashmir Students Association, and then we also have a student with us. Umar, first of all, tell us about the incidents that you have come to know. Now, obviously, your organization acts as a bridge that takes the grievances of these people to the government, tries to sort it out. So tell us about the major incidents that have happened.
In the aftermath of Pahalgam attack, in which some 26 innocent killings happened, there has been nationwide backlash against Kashmiri students. Students were targeted, threatened, intimidated. The day when the Pahalgam attack took place, I received so many disturbed calls. I received calls as late as 3 in the night. What panicked particularly the students of Kashmir was a video which was circulated by a member of Hindu Raksha Dal, in which he has threatened Kashmiri students that you either leave state of Uttarakhand within 24 hours or you will be annihilated. So that sent shock waves across various states where students of Kashmir were studying.
So how many students have come back till now, and from which places?
There are no exact figures, but as per our assessment, some 500 students have so far returned to Kashmir.
500 students. Yes. And what about the incident in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand? Can you tell us about that?
It was a horrific incident in which some 3 people attacked Kashmiri shawl vendors. Following the attack, we tried to contact Uttarakhand police. Police assured us that they will take action. But as per our latest communication with the Uttarakhand police, they said that the perpetrators of that attack, they have apologized, so we have released them.
No action taken, no FIR?
No FIRs has been lodged. I think that the soft peddling of hate will set a bad precedent. Whoever is responsible for these kind of attacks, they need to be dealt strictly. Only then we'll be able to set.
Right. Rahul, what has been the response of the MHA or the respective governments, the Home Department? Have they been cooperative? Have they assured you action?
Yes. When we saw incidents soaring, what we did, we wrote a letter to Honorable Home Minister. We received communication from his office. He has directly contacted all the DGPVs from across various states, directing them.
So you're saying from the MHA advisory has gone to various states?
Yes, exactly. And one FIR has also been lodged against the member of Hindu Raksha Dal, in which he had threatened Kashmiri students that leave Uttarakhand, otherwise you will be annihilated. So that is one good news coming. But we would request the government that more such FIRs should be lodged against all those persons, because at the end of the day, if we see. The perpetrators of Pahalgam didn't want to kill only these 26 people. Actually, what was their larger agenda? It was to create a dent on social fabric in India. And the perpetrators of hate against Kashmiri students are playing to the hands of those perpetrators. And they are completing the unfulfilled agenda of Pahalgam attack. Right. So that is something we need to introspect upon.
Right. Well said.